Okay guys, welcome back. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to post on Facebook group. So let's get started. We're going to open your Facebook. When you open your Facebook and search for the group you want to post something on. Alright, and note guys, the group you want to post it on must be a group that you are already a member. And I've taught you how to join a Facebook group. If you don't know how to join a Facebook group, you can search through our channel, through our videos, and search for how to join a Facebook group for you to be easily join our Facebook group. So let's dive in. Before we go, click the subscription, it helps a lot. So let's continue. Now this is a group now. Now for you to write something on this group, now you have to write here. Let's write something. Click here and write something. And those guys, you must write something that is relevant on this particular group that you have. Every group has their own rules and regulations. So if you violate the rules and regulations, it's possible they will remove you from one of their members. So you must not post anything that is irrelevant to that particular group you want to post to. Maybe you want to ask something or you want to post something, you must post something exactly that goes aligned with their rules and regulations. So I'm going to post something here now. So now this is it now. So let me say okay now, so I've made a post. I've write something I want to post. Just come here and click on post. Sorry guys, click on post, and this is it. You're going to see my now this is the post, you can see. And now you see your post is pending. You can see this phrase, my post is pending. So it is a security settings by this group admin that every post before it is being posted must be awaited for the group admin to accept it, to allow it post. So once they allow it post, it's going to post my video. It's very easy. So just wait for them. And it's not all the group that have the security settings. Some groups, once you post, the post is going to go automatically. It's not going to be pinned down or pending for any group admin to accept it or to allow it to post before it's been posted. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button and drop a comment if you do not understand anything. Thank you guys.